A. Which of the following tribes is not found in central India? A. Gonds. B. Todas. C. Bhils. D. Munda. Answer B. Todas. Though in which of the following towns does the Almaty local meridian time show the greatest deviation from the Ek Indian Standard Time? A. Delhi. B. Cochin. C. Mumbai. D. Kohima. Answer D. Kohoma. 3. What separates Daman and Diu? A. Narmada River. B. Gulf of Khambat. C. Gir Hills. D. Lapti River. Answer B. 4. Which of the following Indian states does not lie on Indo-Bangla border? A. Assam. B. Mizoram. C. Tripura. D. Manipur. Answer D. 5. Port Blair is situated in A. North Andaman. B. South Andaman. C. Middle Andaman. D. Little Andaman. Answer B. 6. Lakshadweep is a group of how many islands? A. 22. B. 25. C. 32. D. 27. Answer B. 7. The Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli lies between which of the following states of India? A. Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. B. Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. D. Gujarat and Maharashtra. Answer D. 8. The Tropic of Cancer passes through A. Bihar. B. Gujarat. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Odisha. Answer B. 9. Thus, which one of the following pairs of states and tribes is not correctly matched? A. Assam Miri. B. Nagaland Konya. C. Arunachal Pradesh Aptani. D. Madhya Pradesh Lambada. Answer D. 11. Which of the following statements regarding literacy in India are correct? A. A person who can only read but cannot write is not defined literate. Though children below 7 years of age are not taken into consideration even if they are able to read and write. 13. For the purpose of census, a person is deemed literate if he or she can read and write with understanding in any of the 22 languages mentioned in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. 4. The fact that a district has attained 100% literacy does not mean that the entire population in the district is literate. A. 1, 3 and 4. B. 2, 3 and 4. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1, 2 and 4. Answer B. 12. Among the Union Territories which has the highest literacy rate? A. Lakshadweep. B. Pondicherry. C. Delhi. D. Daman and Diu. Answer A. 13. The percentage of literates in India is A. Almost equal among males and females. B. Lower among males than females. C. Igner among males than males. D. Lower in urban areas than in rural areas. Answer C. 14. Why is that India has one of the lowest agricultural yields in the world? A. Summers are very hot. 6. Lack of fertile soil. C. Farmers being poor and illiterate do not use modern farming techniques. D. Occurrence of frost at night. Answer C. 15. To which group do the TR1BILs of central and southern India belong? A. Protostrelors. B. Negritos. C. Mongolos. D. Brachycephals. Answer A. 16. Why has the Green Revolution benefited only a small section of India? A. Large dependence on manual labor. B. Poor storage facilities. C. Poor farm management and administration. D. All of the above. Answer D. 17. Which one among the following is nearest to the Tropic of Cancer? A. Agra. B. Delhi. C. Gwalior. D. Jhansi. Answer D. 18. The Tropic of Cancer passes through A. Bihar. B. Gujarat. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Odisha. Answer B. 19. The oldest inhabitants of India are considered to be A. Mongols. B. Negritos. C. Indorians. D. Mediterraneans. Answer B. B. The most urbanized community in India is that of the A. Hindus. B. Muslims. D. Zoroastrians. Answer D. 21. How many states and union territories are there in India? A. 25 states and 7 union territories. B. 28 states and 7 union territories, including National Capital Territory. C. 24 states and 6 union territories. D. None of the above. Answer B. 22. Which one among the following states is smallest in area? A. Andhra Pradesh. B. Gujarat. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer D. 23. In which one of the following union territories people of the Unge tribe live? A. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. B. Dadra and Nagar Haveli. C. Daman and Diu. D. Lakshadweep. Answer A. 24. Consider the following stating entities. Among the Indian states, 1. Andhra Pradesh has the longest coastline, though Gujarat has the highest number of airports. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. Only 1. B. Only though. C. Both well and though. D. Neither I nor though. Answer D. 25. Amongst the following Indian states, which one has the minimum total forest cover? A. Sikkim. B. Goa. C. Haryana. D. Kerala. Answer C. 26. Which of the following would have to be crossed to reach Sri Lanka from Nagarcoil? A. Sunda Strait. B. Gulf of Mannar. C. Polk Strait. D. Cook Strait. Answer B. 27. With which of the following countries has India no boundary? A. Nepal. B. Mongolia. C. Myanmar. D. Bhutan. Answer B. 28. The southernmost point of India is located in A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Little Andaman. D. Great Nicobar. Answer D. 29. Which of the following gives the correct match of states and concentration of religious groups? 1. Maharashtra Zoroastrians. 2. Maharashtra and Arunachal Pradesh Buddhists. 3. Rajasthan and Gujarat Jains. 4. Sikkim Christians. A. 1, 2 and 4. B. 2, 3 and 4. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1 and 5. Answer C. 30. The group of languages spoken by the largest number of people in India is A. Austroasiatic. B. Indorian. C. Dravidian. D. None of these. Answer B. 31. Most Indians belong to the group A. Caucasoid. B. Mongoloid. C. Australoid. D. Negroid. Answer A.